In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access users and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Tap on Google Password Manager and select any password that you wish to delete. Following that, you need to enter your current screen lock. Hit the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!